Hello you guys, happy December 1st. Today is such an exciting day. Today is such an exciting video for two reasons. Number one, it is the first day of Vlogmas, and number two, we are kicking off Vlogmas with a bang because today I get to share with you everything that I'm packing for the Creators and Friends event that is tomorrow. So as you're seeing this video, I will either have just met Emily from Emily and Max or be minutes away from meeting her because we are both going to the event. We are staying together and I'm literally so anxious but also so excited. So I have my very large Allie Glines bag here in front of me and I have all the makeup that I'm bringing, skincare and hair care, and I thought it would be fun to share with you what I packed for this event. I personally am going to be there from like Friday, so today, like 12:15 a.m. is when I get in, and then I'm staying through like Tuesday afternoon. I love this city and I'm so excited. I'm just so excited to spend a little extra time there as well. So that being said, if you're interested in what I'm packing along with me, stay tuned. First, if you have yet to subscribe to my channel and you like project painting content or just chit-chatting about makeup, I hope you consider subscribing before moving on. I will, fingers crossed, hopefully be posting every single day at 2 p.m. Central Standard Time throughout the month of December. So I hope you consider subscribing before moving on. But other than that, let's jump into the video. Okay, you guys, I have the large Allie Glines bag. I don't know what it's called, but I'll link it down below. And let me see how well I can. I feel like I still have a little bit of room in here. Like we could still sneak some things in if we really wanted to. So up here, I don't actually have my brushes and stuff in here yet, so we gotta still get the tools in. But up here, I have all of the makeup erasers that I'll be bringing. I usually bring a makeup eraser per day that I travel. So those are up at the top. I also have my mirror here, which I need to grab my charger for this as well. But this I just ordered off of Amazon, and you can like basically set it up, which is really nice. And it has a light to it, so it's really awesome. So I'll leave that link in case you're interested in checking this out for any travel plans that you might have as well, or if I just use it every single day to get ready as well. Okay, I'm gonna start with the less exciting. I'm gonna start with hair care slash skincare, which all fit into this little pouch. It's all right here. So for hair care, I have really dry, thick hair, so I like to travel with my own shampoo and conditioner. Now I did just bring these 3 little pouches of my Madison Reed shampoo, and I'm hoping that they're gonna get me through. I dye my hair using the Madison Reed hair dyeing kits. I actually just dyed my hair in prep for the event. So I had a bunch of shampoo packets, and then dry damaged hair, I need all the conditioning product I can get. So I'm bringing this from Briogeo. It's the Don't Despair Repair Super Moisture Conditioner. So those are my hair care products. I want to bring a heat protectant spray, but I also want to be cognizant of like, oh, I'm gonna need a hairspray. I'm gonna need to grab a hairspray. Shoot, I might skip on the heat protectant spray because I need to bring a hairspray. I need to pack that now or I'll forget. Okay, at Target later, if I remember to pick up a smaller hairspray, I'm going to, but my current smallest hairspray in my collection is from R&Co. It's the Grind Structure Hold Setting Spray. That's a hairspray, right? Yes. Oh, this has heat protection. Okay, we'll bring this. And then for skincare, when I travel, I try and be as basic as possible with my skincare routine. So I do like to double cleanse still. So from Tatcha, I just grabbed anything I had a travel size in. I have the Camilla Cleansing Oil. And then for my cleanser, I have this one from Tatcha. It is the Rice Wash Soft Cream Cleanser. I know both of these together will do a really nice job of cleansing all the makeup off the face. And then for morning time moisturizer, I brought 2 because they both fit and I couldn't decide. So I have this one from Drunk Elephant, the Bee Hydra Intensive Hydration Serum. And then from Glow Recipe, I have the Watermelon Niacinamide Dewdrops. For my eye cream, I'm just bringing the Squalane and Marine Algae Eye Cream from Biossance. It's a favorite and I can use it morning or night. Usually I wouldn't travel with a treatment, and truthfully, you know what, I'm gonna keep these out. I'm like, I just need a cleanser and a moisturizer. I do kind of want to get the jet lag mask. I kind of want to get the jet lag mask, but I literally don't need it. I'm just being extra. I don't need it. I don't need to spend the money. Okay. And then for my evening time moisturizer, I have this little mini from Tula. It's the 24/7 hydrating day and night cream. So literally just these few little skincare products it's just gonna be all I need. It's gonna be all I need, and it's okay. I don't have to overpack. I don't have to fill everything to the brim. And then I also just have an eyelash curler, which I'm gonna toss into this little pouch because it fits. And actually, I might be able to fit my makeup erasers in this pouch so that I can use that other pouch for brushes. Oh yes, this is perfect. Okay. Skincare and hair care, all in that little pouch. Go me. Oh, I do have this for like one treatment pad while I'm out there. It's from Dr. Dennis Gross. It's the Advanced Texture Renewal Peel. This is a very intense exfoliating treatment, so I will bring that. I will bring that. I don't really have, oh, for my fragrance that I've decided to bring with me. Thank you to Lauren May Beauty / fragrance for this recommendation. It's from Ellis Brooklyn. It's the Apres scent. So I have this. This is gonna be my scent of the trip. I'm gonna smell it again. Whew, you frightened me. It smells very piney, very Christmassy, and this is gonna be perfect. Okay, zoom myself in a little bit. I felt like I was kind of far away. Anyway, oh my goodness, someone's angry out there. The next two bags, there's like no real rhyme or reason to either of these. It's just how things would fit, which by the way, my setting spray that I'm bringing, not a favorite. I do kind of want to get the Revolution Beauty mist so that I can have 2 setting sprays, but I don't need it, and that's like extra weight to my bag. No, I'm just gonna bring the one. It's from Cali Ray. It's the Sunproof setting spray. I don't feel like it makes a big difference, but I do like to have a spray. Okay, let's go into this little bag here. I do kind of want to do this in order that I would do my face, just to make sure I have everything that I want. Maybe I'm going to try and do that. I'm going to repack things into these bags as we go so that I can make sure I have my bases covered. And you guys, I know I'm extra and I know that I overpack. It's a problem. It's a problem. Okay. Primers. 4 primers. I'm bringing 2. I'm bringing my Milani Chill Out. This is the Soothing Primer with Wild Oat and Extracts. I'm bringing this, 1, because if my skin's stressed out, this will help. And 2, I also feel like this has a bit of smoothing, like a bit of a smoothing quality to it. So we love it for that. And then I'm also going to be bringing this one from Fenty Beauty. It's the Pro Filter Instant Retouch Primer. And I feel like I like this one because this is my stickiest primer currently in my collection. So it will help, hopefully, prolong the wear of my makeup. Then, for foundations, I'm bringing 2. I'm bringing the Iconic London Super Smoother for maybe daytime when I'm not wanting to do anything super serious. And then for evening, I have the Terracotta... I have from Guerlain, my new favorite foundation. This is the Healthy Glow Natural Perfection Foundation. So these are my 2 foundation products. For concealer, I'm also bringing 2 because I literally can't help myself. I'm bringing this mini one from Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Beautiful Skin Radiant Concealer. I feel like this really does the best job of smoothing underneath my eyes and adding the most coverage. But then I'm also going to bring my Tower 28 Concealer, which I've been loving so much lately because I also really like the finish that this gives underneath the eyes. It's so brightening and hydrating, and so I couldn't decide, so I had to bring both. We're definitely a little extra in the powder category. We are a little extra, but I don't know what to put away, so I'm not going to. For underneath the eyes, for a loose powder, you guys know I have been absolutely loving the Givenchy Prism Libre powder. I just think this is so beautiful. I have the mini and it's so smoothing underneath the eyes. I love it so much. So I'm bringing that. For an all-over pressed powder for the face, which is my favorite way to set the face, I'm going to be bringing my CoverGirl Clean Fresh powder. And then we all know how much I have been loving my Hourglass Ambient Lighting powder in the shade Luminous Light. I'm getting so close to finishing this up, and I love to use this as like a setting, like a finishing powder, especially if I'm looking like I'm too matte. So I'm also gonna be bringing this. It fits, okay, it fits. Okay, for bronzer, I did bring a powder and a cream option, and actually I brought 2 cream options, cream and 2 cream powder, 2 cream into powder options for bronzer. Okay, so for my cream option, I have, and I'm going between the Merit Stick, or do I want my Makeup by Mario? I think I'm gonna go with my Merit Stick. It's just so easy and it fits a little bit better. It's the Merit bronzer in the it is the bronzing stick in the shade Clay. This is so beautiful on those days that maybe I'm just doing light makeup, but I want like a little bit of dimension to the face. I'm gonna be bringing that, bless you. And then I couldn't decide, so I'm bringing both. I have my Tom Ford Glow Bronzer in the shade Terra. I just love this. I think it's so beautiful. But I also really wanted to bring this one from Give Beauty. It is the Duo, so it has a cream contour because maybe I want to add a little dimension. Maybe I want a little dimension, and then it also has this powder bronzer, but I felt like this powder bronzer might be a little bit too warm, so I wanted to bring this in case. That's how I'm justifying bringing both of these. Okay, blush, we're going a little bit overboard, and I get it. It's a lot, but I can't help myself. So I have two liquid blush options. From Rare Beauty, I have the shade Encourage, which is a really beautiful like mauve toned shade. And then from Say, I have the shade Baby, which is a really beautiful cool toned baby pink shade. For my cool tone options, then basically powder blush, I have, well, 2 powder, 1 cream. So I couldn't not bring MAC So Natural. Just such a beautiful natural blush, and I'll probably end up wearing this and my Laura Mercier one, which I'm about to talk about the most. But you know, I just have to have options. I literally have to have options. Although once I pack my outfits and know exactly what I'm bringing for outfits, maybe I'll take out something or add more. But I'm bringing the MAC So Natural just because it's such a great, more warm toned neutral blush, and it literally matches everything. And then another warm toned neutral blush that literally matches everything, but I'm so obsessed with it, is this one from Laura Mercier in the shade Fresco. So I'm also bringing that. And then I'm bringing Makeup by Mario Desert Rose. This is just not like a natural, it is a natural blush, but it is more of like a pink. It has some pink to it instead of just like a corally tan blush. So I'm also bringing that. For highlighters, I do have a cream and a powder option. So I have from Westman Atelier, I have the highlight stick in the shade Lit Up. This is a really beautiful, just glossy, dewy highlight that I really like, and I'm trying to use this up relatively quickly. This is a product that's just getting older in my collection. I've been trying to get a lot of use out of it this year, so I want to try and continue to get use out of it. And then I lied, I have 2 powder highlights that I'm bringing. One is my pink tone highlight. This is my Bobbi Brown Pink Glow highlighter. I absolutely love this. It's one of my favorite highlights in my entire collection. And then I also have the Check My Glow highlight from Give Beauty in the shade Platinum Cowgirl. This is definitely more subtle and a little bit more of like champagne toned, or at least that's how it typically pulls on me, so I will also be bringing that. For brows, my brow routine, I have 4 products I'll be bringing for brows, but I use these literally every single day. So I have the NYX Micro Brow Pencil, the Benefit Goof Proof, the NYX The Brow Glue, and then the Huda Beauty Balm Brows. I use all these products, all 4 of those products to do my brows every single day. My mascaras, my current mascara rotation has been, I have this Lancome priming mascara. I also have this little mini Gucci mascara, and then I've been using the Clinique High Impact mascara, which I actually really like this one. But I'm also gonna bust out, because it's a special occasion, I'm busting out the Ilia Limitless mascara, which I have sitting in backstock in my collection. This is my favorite mascara of all time, so I will also be bringing that mascara. I'm just bringing 2 eyeliners. I thought about bringing a colorful eyeliner, but I'm like, no girl, like, you don't need to bring another one. I have my Ilia my Ilia Clean Line Gel Liner in the shade Dusk, which is just a dark brown. My typical go-to for a waterline pencil, and this works just fine. It's the one I've been reaching for most lately. And then from NYX, I have the Epic Ink Liner for my upper lash line, which I use just about every single time that I do my makeup. So I'll be bringing both of those. For lips, this is where it gets a bit dicey. For travel on my person at all times, I'm going to be having the Summer Fridays Lip Butter Balm. This will hopefully help ensure that I have very juicy, moisturized lips at all times. But then I'm also bringing my Clarins lip oil. I'm bringing 2 liquid lipsticks, a red and a nude. I actually have the nude on my lips today. It's the shade OG from Persona, and then I'm bringing Holy Grail for a red lip option. I've really been loving my MAC Powder Kiss liquid lipstick in the shade Over the Taupe as well though, so I think I might bring that as well. I think I mentioned I'm also bringing my Clarins lip oil. We know I have to bring a Lawless Forget the filler, so I have the shade Velvet for the shade of the Lawless that I'll be bringing. I feel like I should really narrow this down. I think I'm also going to bring my Fenty Heat for like a reddish gloss. I have this one from NARS in the shade Breathless. Maybe I'll leave. I also have the lifter gloss from Maybelline in the shade Stone. Maybe I don't need, but for a nude gloss, it would be, well, I have my Summer Fridays lip butter balm. I think I still might bring Stone. Maybe I will leave Milani Tease. I don't need to bring any actual like lipsticks with me because I'll bring, yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Okay, so we have 3 liquid lipsticks technically, 3 glosses, a lip oil, and a lip balm. Hopefully we'll be covered for the lip category. Oh, and then I did pack 1 lip liner just in case. It is from Vive. It's in the shade Velvet Sands. It's a really beautiful warm nude shade, so I'll be bringing that. And then you guys are all probably wondering what eyeshadow palettes I am bringing, and it was a very, very tough decision, and I'm still a bit up in the air. But this is, it's just so hard. So hard because I feel like there's palettes that I would like to bring, but I also worry about, I'm worried about it breaking, but also, okay, I'm way too extra. Way too extra. I feel like, okay. We're switching things around. But yes, because if something happened to my Denisomyrix, I would be so upset. Okay, this is what we're doing for palettes. I have Glaminatrix Nearly Natural, like my favorite palette right now. And this is so beautiful because there's really beautiful mattes, both like warm and cool tone and mauves. And the shimmers in here are just so punchy and metallic, which is perfect. Exactly what I'm kind of looking for. Then I also am going to bring my Persona Identity 1. But do I need this and the Glaminatrix Nearly Natural? Probably not. Probably not. But I'm gonna bring both. I'm gonna bring Persona Identity 1. I do really love this palette, and I have not reached for this enough this year. Plus it has like a mix of warm and cool tones, and I love the metallic formula in that as well. For fun, colorful, like if I want to add a pop of color, I am gonna bring Urban Decay Stone Vibes because I really like some of the fun shades in here. I have green, blue, purple. I have some fun things going on here, so I'm bringing that. And then I will also be bringing my Natasha Denona Mini Nude Palette. This is just such a staple, go-to, very easy every day. But then I also have this beautiful shade Sienna if I'm wanting like a red, brown, green sort of shade. Just such a staple. You guys know I love this palette so much. So I'm also bringing that along. And I believe that's it, you guys. I believe those are all of the products, makeup, skincare, and hair care that I will be bringing along. Obviously, I need to pack my tools, so we're good to go there. But that is it. I'm so excited. I hope I'm having so much fun in real time whenever you guys are watching this. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, the first day in Vlogmas. I hope you're excited for Vlogmas. If there's any specific content you'd like to see me film, let me know in the comments below. But other than that, thank you guys so much for sticking around to watch today's video and for supporting me and my channel as you guys always do. I love you guys so much, and I will catch you in tomorrow's video. Bye.